Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Girish. Today we will see how to generate the object code for a given piece of program. So we will see into a program which was asked in the earlier paper of VTU. Here it is going to begin like sum start 0. So sum is the label, start is the assembler directive. 0 means where the program has to begin, the starting address of the program, where it should begin. Then we have first as the label clear x, LDA hash 0 plus LDB hash total, base total, then loop add table comma x, TIX count, JLT loop, STA total, count RESW1, table RESW2000, total RESW1, end first. So here it is going to end. The program will end here. When we encounter end. End is the assembler directive. And where it has to begin? It has to begin at first. So now we have to generate the addresses for each and every instruction. And the thing is, you should know which instruction will take how many bytes. So it's very easy to understand. I'll explain in detail. The very first one is 0000. So that is the starting address where it has to begin. 2 means how many bytes the instruction is going to take. So clear x will take 2 bytes. So 0000 is taken by clear x. Then we have LDA hash 0, which is 3 byte instruction. So next address is 0002. 2, 3, 4 is taken by LDA hash 0. Then next comes 5. So here plus LDB. Plus means you know that it is extended format, that is format 4, which takes 4 bytes. So 4 is indicated here. 5, 6, 7, 8 is taken by this instruction. Next we have base total. So base is the assembler directive. It's not required to write the address for that. So the next instruction is loop add table comma x. So after 8, 9 comes, 9. So it is format 3 instruction, table comma x. So now it is 9AB is taken by add table comma x. Then comes C, 000C, which is again 3 byte instruction, TIX count. So CDE is taken by this. Then comes F JLT loop. Again it is 3 bytes. So F after F, F1011 is taken by this. Then comes 12, which is STA total. Again 3 bytes. So 12, 13, 14 is taken by STA total. Then comes 15. Count RESW1. So here you should be careful. RESW means reserved word. So each word will take 3 bytes of instruction. So here it is indicated as RESW1. 1 means it takes 3 bytes. So 15, 16, 17 is taken by this particular instruction RESW1. Then we have table RESW2000. So 2000 means we have to multiply it by 3 because each word will take 3 bytes. 2000 into 3 becomes 6000. So if you convert that into hexadecimal, it becomes 1788 is the next instruction. That is 1770 bytes are taken by RESW2000. So then comes 178. This is 3 byte instruction RESW1. After 1788, 8910, then that is 80, 8A, 8B, 1788, 1789, 178A, 178B is the end first statement. So now we'll see how to generate the object code for each and every instruction. So clear x is the first statement. which is B410. How do we get B410? We'll see here. The first one is clear X. So it is actually clear R1 comma R2. But R2 is not given, only R1 is given, which is X, and whose value is 1. So here it becomes like 2 bytes means B4 is the opcode for clear. The remaining 8 bits are given by the registers. X has got 1 and the R1, R2 has got 0. So it becomes B410. That is what I have written here. Next instruction is LDA hash 0. LDA hash 0. So LDA has got the opcode value as 00. So now write 0000, then 00 followed by the remaining last 2 bits of LDA is taken by the flag bits N and I. Since it is immediate mode, make I as 1, N as 0. Remaining flag bits are all zeros and displacement is 0 because directly the value 0 is given. So you have to consider it as 0, 0, 0 in the displacement. So finally it becomes 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So that is what I have written here. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then comes plus LDB hash total. Plus LDB means format 4. It is format 4. So plus LDB hash total means it is immediate mode with extended format. So LDB has got value 68, 0110, then followed by 10. Remaining last 2 bits are taken by N and I, and remaining bits are 0 except E because it is format 4. And this is 20 bits address field. It's not the displacement for format 4. It is 20 bits address. Directly you have to take the address of that particular label. So now if you group them into 4, it becomes 6, 9, 1, 0, 1, 7, 8, 8. So that is the object code 69101788. That is what I have written. The next is base total. It's not required to generate the object code for base because it is assembler directive. Then comes add table comma X. So now we'll see how do we get the value add table comma X. It is PC relative with indexing. It is PC relative with indexing. Add has got the value 18. It is 0001. That is 1. Then followed by 10. The last 2 bits are taken by N and I. Then since it is indexed register is used, make X as 1. Then it is also PC relative. So make P value as 1. Remaining 2 bits are zeros. Now calculate the displacement. Displacement is equal to target address minus PC. So PC will point to the address of the next instruction to be executed. Already you know that. The target address is at the location 18, which is in hexadecimal, minus PC value is 0C. So if you convert them into decimal, it becomes 12, which is nothing but C. So directly by using the calculator, you can find out the difference 18 minus C. It will show you as C. So now it becomes 1BA00C. So that is what I have written here. 1BA00C. Next is TIX count. TIX count. The TIX value is 2C 0010 followed by 11. Last 2 bits are taken by N and I. And again it is PC relative. So make P as 1, N and I as 1 and 1. X, B, E are all zeros. Now find the displacement target address minus PC, which is 15 minus F is given by the value 6. So now it becomes 2F2006. So that is what written here. 2F2006. Next is JLT loop. JLT loop. So JLT has got 38 as the value. So last two bits are N and I. Make them as 1 and 1. And it is PC relative. Now displacement is target address minus PC. So it becomes negative value. 09 minus 12. So it becomes negative. Minus 9 into decimal, it becomes minus 9. So if you get a negative value, you have to convert it into 2's complement. So when you convert them into 2's complement, you will get it as FF7. So that is what I have written here in the displacement field, FF7. So that is what I have written here. 3B2 FF7. Then we have STA total. STA total. STA has got 0C. It is 000011. Last two bits N and I. Then it is, if you first you have to try with PC relative, since it is not going to fit into the location memory because the last value is 4095. So if it exceeds that, you have to consider the base register. Base register, we have seen base total. So the displacement becomes 0. In that case, displacement becomes 0. So it crosses 4096. Consider base relative. So make B as 1. Then P and E as 0. The displacement is 0. So it becomes 0F4000. So that is what I have written. The next statement, the remaining all statements, it is not required to generate the object code. You already know. So this is the final solution for the given problem. Yes, that is the complete solution for the given problem. The only thing here is I should know which instruction will take how many bytes. That can be known by practicing similar types of problems. Usually most of the instructions will be taking 3 bytes and some of the instructions with plus symbol just before the mnemonic will be taking 4 bytes, that is format 4, and only few instructions will be taking 2 bytes. So that can be known by you by practicing similar types of problems. Now if you have understood everything, hit the like button please. If you have any doubts, you can comment it and ask me the question so that I'll try to answer your questions. And please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for all notifications so that whenever I upload any new video, immediately you will get the notification. Thanks for watching. Bye.